Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is having a great Monday. I am back with another quick video breakdown of today's Python practice. Today I am taking a step backwards because I just started on the new weekly challenges for last week. So today I'm going back to the beginning of the challenge course, and that actually started on the week of September the 11th. So let's go ahead and get started on that easy challenge from that coding week. And also I'll leave the link down in the description in case you guys want to check it out for yourselves. But let's go ahead and get started on the question at hand. The instruction is to write a function called reverse tuple that takes a tuple st as input and returns a new tuple with the elements in reverse order. So as you can see, I already created my main here, and they gave us 3 tuples so we can test our function down after we have created that logic for it. And then in our test here, we are calling that function and passing in the 3 tuple examples, and then we're going to loop through that and print each one on its own line. So let's go ahead and go up to my function declaration. And as stated, I did call it reverse tuple, and it's taking in t, meaning a tuple as the argument. So let's go ahead and return pass and get started on the logic here. So what it's saying is we want to take whatever tuple we pass into the function and we want to reverse it and return that tuple. So an easy way to do that will be to use a slice, and I'll show you guys how that look now. So let's go ahead and make our return value here. We'll just call it new tuple. And then we're going to slice the tuple that we have. So we're going to take t. And to slice something, all you have to do is you're going to use colons. So for the first place, it pretty much defaults to 0, and that's where we want to start in that first place. So we don't need anything there. And then on the second, before the second colon, you're putting pretty much where you want to end, but we want to go through the whole tuple, so we don't need anything there. But for the last place, you put the increment of steps you want. So it defaults to 1. That means it's going to be moving up a positive index. But since we want to go backwards, here we would have to put -1. And that is a slice, you guys. So what it'll do is it'll go to the tuple and it'll step backwards. And each step backwards will be added to our new tuple, and that will indeed reverse the order. So let's go ahead and return our new tuple at the bottom here. And let me put this bracket back up there because I didn't step out of it. Okay, now let's go ahead and return this and see what we get in the console. Okay, so we have this done here. Let's come down to our console, and then we put Python 3. And then we just start typing our file name, which is easy. Tab over, and there you have it. As you see, each tuple that we passed pretty much has been returned, but in reverse order. So, yeah, that wasn't too bad. Pretty simple. We used the slice. As a reminder, I'll write down how a slice is, so you guys can kind of understand what was happening here. Another question mark. Okay, so in a slice, you pretty much start, in the first place you have start, and then you have where you want to end, and then you kind of have how you're stepping through each element. So if you was to put 2, that means it would do every other element in the data structure that you pass, and that's pretty much what we did. We've taken a step backwards, 1 step backwards for every single element. And that is why the tuple is in reverse. So let me know how you guys would have went about solving it. Let me know if you have any tips for me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.